Samsung's breaking its tradition with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and this time, it's a good thing. Major leaks and confirmations are coming in, and for once, it looks like the Fold series is getting the serious upgrades it needs. First off, Samsung is officially moving fast with software. Thanks to Google pushing Android 16's release to Q2, Samsung's jumping ahead. Galaxy Z Fold 7 is confirmed to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Yes, the Fold lineup is beating the S-Series to the punch. According to a Geekbench listing potted by Tarun Vats, the Fold 7 runs Android 16 and is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite variant, the same chip used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. One UI 8 brings in new features too, like the auto-hide taskbar, carried over from One UI 7. It now disappears when you open apps and reappears with a swipe. Basic, but way better for multitasking. Samsung should have done this years ago. In terms of hardware, the Fold 7 is bringing actual upgrades, not just small refinements. According to Anthony, the inner display is reportedly 8 inches. The cover screen is expected to be 6.5 inches, and both displays are wider. That tall, narrow remote control design is finally gone. Camera-wise, there's a clear jump on the main sensor. It's using the same 200 megapixel sensor as the S25 Ultra. The rest of the rear camera setup stays unchanged, but the under-display selfie camera is said to have improved image quality. Leaks confirm that Samsung has worked on that area, although the exact megapixel count is still unknown. One design change that stands out: a bigger camera bump, but the phone itself is slimmer. Just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded and 9.5 millimeters folded. That's thinner than the Fold 6 and even the Fold Special Edition in Korea. A small bulge is acceptable when you're getting a sleeker overall profile. Beyond the basics, the Fold 7 is also expected to pack better speakers, a redesigned S Pen, and a larger vapor chamber for improved thermal management. Disappointingly though, there's still no S Pen slot built into the phone. And then there's the battery, a 4,400 milliampere cell again. No change, no improvement. For a foldable this size, that's just not good enough, especially when compared to the endurance of Samsung's Ultra series. Still, the Fold Special Edition managed to pull off a decent performance with the same battery size, so maybe Samsung worked some optimization magic behind the scenes. As for when you can actually get your hands on it, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event in July 2025. Pricing, while not official, is expected to be something near $1,799 or higher.